Lamsawa jotono tini nalinai kaisa notification High Court of Tripura ni bukakti kaisa notification nogri haikya 23 tarik May 2025 recruitment to the miscellaneous post nokhorka Tripura High Court ni bukakti Group C take Group D post for the establishment of the district subordinate judiciary of Tripura. Tripura ni subordinate judiciary ni bukakti Group C take Group D post talangjaknai A number of stenographer एबा personal assistant 2 number of vacancies दङ total 13 जन दङ ST 8 जन तै SC 5 जन दङ fixed pay basis अबंका pay structure नायजे pay structure जगवा 27300 टाका दंनाय level 90 सबिनाय 2018 नि अनुसारे और pay matrix रिजाखा eligibility हो जागो educational qualification फुनोका graduate in any discipline from any recognized college by university 2 number tongo must have capacity to take dictation of 100 word per minute in shorthand about English and typing speed of at least 60 word per minute in computer shorthand ning English o jagwa per minute 100 khlema nangnai tai o jagwa computer typing kai per minute 60 watt o jagwa ning typing khlema nangnai pe kuno o jagwa shorthand ni certificate nangya hingke o jagwa certificate sajaka sudu computer certificate nangnai certificate in computer education in a course of minimum 60 month duration 6 month ni ning o jagwa computer certificate tonghaino o jagwa ning apply khaimanai graduate plus 6 month ni certificate tonghaino ning o jagwa apply khaimanai stenographer एबा personal assistant 2 ni bagai age limit tongna jagao minimum 18 years ni simi 40 years jara SC ST ni bagai 5% relaxation tongnai borok hingga 45 years jora o jaga apply khaimanai fees tongna jaga SC ST ni bagai 250 টাকা tongnai jara UR category borok hingga 500 টাকা nangnai apni yagulo B number tongo lower division clerk एबा LDC number of vacancies tongo 43 जन tongo एबा 43 ST tongo 33 ex serviceman tongo 1 the SC tongo 2 जन total 43 vacancy नौकरी फैक्या lower division clerk नि बागै pay structure tongnai jagao 21,000 level 7 जरा 2018 pay matrix नि अनुसारे और वेतन दंनाय eligibility educational qualification graduate in any discipline from any recognized college or university 2 number the candidate must be computer savvy with a typing speed of at least 30 word per minute on computer per minute ning 30 word typing khalima nangnai hin sajak teo jago or bahina 3 number certificate in computer education in a course of minimum 6 month duration 6 month ni ningo ja computer certificate nangnai graduation plus 6 month ni certificate tong nangnai teo jago per minute 30 word typing khaimanane ning ma nangnai hin sajak gai ningo jago rimanai graduation tei computer certificate 6 month tonghaino ningo jaga apply khaimanai abo hongkakai lower division clerk ni bagai age limit tongnai 18 years ni simi 40 years jora SC ST 5 years relaxation tongnai aro bahaino 45 years jora o jaga apply khaimanai jara ST SC rok fee tongnai o jaga SC ST rok bagai 200 টাকা nangnai teo jaga UR ni bagai hingkai 400 টাকা nangnai amni yagulo C number tongo driver bahin trongjaka number of vacancies total 2 জন obokai sudo UR ni bagai simi pay structure beton tongo 21400 level 7 jero soginai oro educational qualification phunuka must have pass madhyamik secondary examination Maidim pass khlaijakno nangnai te o jagao must have a valid commercial driving license issue ma khainai by competent authority. 3 number tonga must have 3 years experience in driving light motor vehicle. Light motor vehicles ni o jaga 3 years ni experience tonga nangnai. The candidate must be medically fit for driving. Okay, o jaga application kaimanai age limit tongoro 21 years ni simi 40 years ra SC ST dongbogi 5 years relaxation dong 45 years ra apply kaimanai oro bhaina oro fees tongnai ST SC dongbogi 200 টাকা ta UR dongbogi 400 টাকা nangnai aboni yagulo D number group D pion eba orderly number of vacancies dong total jago 69 UR dongbogi 39 te jaga SD dongbogi 19 জন dong SC dongbogi 11 জন total vacancy 69 nokri phakya abo hongkai group D ni bagai pay structure ajago 16000 pay phnoka level 1 jorona eligibility or educational qualification madhyamik pass khankana o jaga apply khaimanai group D ni bagai age limit tongo 18 years ni simi 40 years jora relaxation dongnai 5 years jara SC ST dongbogi fees tongnai o jagao SC ST dongbogi matro 150 150 টাকা khlai no o jagao SC ST rok apply khaimanai jara UR category borok hingka 300 টাকা nangnai permanent o jagao important note sajaka permanent resident certificate nangnai of Tripura PRTC o jagao nangnai issue ma khlainai government of Tripura ni jara o jagao application khaina hani wansu tongnai rok norok khlaimanai online application portal will be available on the High Court website thangai mannai from 27 তারিখ 5 মাস 2025 মে মাস ni 27 তারিখ simino o jago online application khainan bagai online available ngai 11 am ni simi te jago June মাস ni 26 তারিখ jora June মাস ni 26 তারিখ jora saringni 5টা jora o jaga apply khaimanai Tripura High Court ni bokhaktwi apps website thangai o jaga apply khaimanai online jara rona hani wansu tongnai rok jara chakri khainai rok hingka jagao no objection certificate nangnai important dates oro naji submission of online application 27 তারিখ 5 মাস 2025 May ni 27 তারিখ simi tai June ni 26 তারিখ jora te jagao important sajaka jagao important saka date of selection test and downloading of admit card test entry time and duration abo hongkai o jaga borok will be notified later on olo notification nijangnai test entry time and duration test exam ni entry time duration busuk abo olo mention khaijanai will be mentioned in the admit card abo mention khaijanai abo olo sajanai olo notification koknai bodino admit koknai bodino download admit khaijanai tai bufru boja center kani abo hongkai admit card to rijaknai ko jaga pujano clerk eba lower division clerk ni LDC ni o jagao written examination 85 ni mark phainai total mark 85 ni tongna jaga English subject tongna jaga standard and scope of written paper total 30 mark ni tongnai this part of the written paper will be set to test the candidate proficiency in the language it may include translation from Bengali into English narration pieces written it mane jagao English into Bengali into English abo translation hainai language ni tei narration precis rok hainai total 30 mark ni. Bises khai the standard will be that of higher secondary stage examination of the board of secondary education. Class 12 ni hainai bises khai abo tei mathematics tongnai 25 ni. This written paper will be set to test the speed and accuracy of the candidate in making routine calculation. Mathematics of 25 ni tai jaga general knowledge and current affair finai. This part of the written paper will be set to test the general intelligence power of observation and knowledge of the candidate in current affair of the country. Test ni current affairs hainai ojagao the general knowledge hainai total 30 mark ni. Kai LDC ni bagai 85 mark ni fainai te jaga baiba boyasnai total 15 mark ni tongnai. The assess the overall personality of the candidate 15 mark ni tongnai. Te jaga typing speed test khajanai on computer 50 mark ni 50 ni jaga typing speed test najanai computer ni aro 50 mark ni tongnai. O jaga per minute nung 30 watt nungro mana nangnai 50 mark ni tongo computer typing test. Syllabus for competitive examination for appointment of stenographer by direct recruitment in the establishment of abongka stenographer ni written examination 85 mark ningnai oro English fainai 50 mark ni te mathematics hainai 10 mark ni te jaga general knowledge and current affair hainai 25 mark ni te jaga baiba boys ngai 15 mark ni tongnai. Te jaga shorthand typing speed test on computer 100 mark. 100 mark ni jaga shorthand typing test najangnai o jaga 100 mark ni tongnai jaga per minute 60 watt typing speed tongnai computer tei o jaga shorthand kai 100 watt khaima nangnai. Okay abo hongkai group D ni bagai written examination 75 mark ni tongnai total. Letter writing tongnai 25 mark ni te jaga handwriting test najangnai handwriting test tongnai 25 mark ni tei jaga general knowledge and current affair tongnai 25 ni. Baiba boys tongnai 25 mark ni tongnai total o jaga 100 mark ni mark tongnai examination kai written examination kai jaga 75 mark ni nung ma sinai te jaga 25 mark ni kai baiba boys ngai total mark tongnai 100 mark ni. Gasungno jara nam sunai rok norok apply khaimanai 27 tarik May ni 27 tarik simin ro o jaga apply khaimanai June mas ni 26 tarik jora sarik ni 5 ta jora o jaga apply khaimanai. Kai jara apply khainani wansuk tongnai rok preparation khain rok exam ready unwan nakrei je examination kaham khainmanai bono mannai asukno jotono haino hai hambai.